Hello friend, good morning to all of you. Today through this slide we are going to study a 18th century type of novel that is used in modern period also, means that technique to write a novel, but this form come into the exist in 18th century. So and the name of or the title of that novel form is Picaresque narrative. Picaresque narrative, a Picaresque novel. So the word Picaresque, Picaresque, Picaresque is derived from the Spanish word, Spanish language, and the meaning of that word is picaro. What is that? Picaro in Spanish. What is its meaning in English? Rogue or rug, and in our day-to-day use we called it rascal. So picaro means a rascal, a scoundrel. Picaro means a rascal person. It is one kind of abusement, rascal, rogue in Spanish. This type of novel originated in the 16th century. In the 16th century, it has its origin in 16th century and became very popular in the 17th and 18th century. 17th and 18th century. See, in 16th century it comes into existence. In 17th and 18th century it become a popular. What kind of novel it is? It is a picaresque novel, and picaro means a rascal or a rogue, means it is the word. The novel is based on the characteristics of its hero. The hero of this novel is a picaro, or we can say a rascal. That's why it is called as a picaresque narrative or a novel. See the features of picaresque novel. In a picaresque novel, a traveling hero usually finds himself or herself in different kind of situation, meets a variety of characters, and has several extraordinary experiences. See, it is the description of the character. In picaresque novel, in a picaresque narrative, there was one character who travels from one place to another, and that character himself or herself find in a different kind of situation, himself or herself finds in a different kind of situation, or he meets so many or variety of peoples in his life and tries to perform several extraordinary deeds or experiences, but he couldn't, do not or did not have such qualities. This is the one feature. Now the second feature of picaresque novel, there is a little or a no plot, means picaresque novel does not have a plot. There is little or do not have plot, and the novel has a simple loose episodic structures, means episodes and episodes and episodes combined together to make a story. So picaresque novel has an episodic structure. The protagonist is clever, likable, and usually someone from the middle or lower class. Who is the protagonist or hero? He is clever आहे, likable आहे, सर्वांना आवडतो तो, परंतु तो मिडल किंवा लोअर क्लास मधला असतो. The author takes the hero through several ups and downs in life, means author have presented in this type of novel, there are so many problems that character, that hero has to face in his life. Though characters are prominently drawn, there is a little character development. The story is given more importance. So the character development is not there. When we study the features of the novel, or a character is one of them, then character is not fully developed. But the story is developed, and story has given too much importance in this kind of novel. The novel is narrated in a satirical and humorous manner. This is a satire. This Pickarick's novel is one kind of a satire, is one kind of attack on a, what we can say, a person. So it is a satirical or a humorous novel, often in the first person mode. तर ही नेहमी first person narrative असते. फर्स्ट पर्सन पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू मध्ये असते. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू इन अ फर्स्ट पर्सन मोड. देर आर सम एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द पिकारिस्क नॉवेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टोबायस स्मॉलिट्स, TOBIAS, Tobias Smollett's The Adventure of Roderick Random. Adventure of Roderick Random is one of the greatest example of this kind of novel, or picaresque novel. See, in this novel, the hero Roderick, what is the name of that hero? Roderick meets a variety of odd people on his long journey to London, and has a series of misadventures along the way. He later joins the navy and has further escapes. Roderick has far too many adventures than is possible for any person to have in one life. See, he has performed so many adventures that we couldn't believe that one person can perform so much adventure in his life. But the author does not bother about the credibility of such incidents. Smollett is only interested in giving his readers a broad picture of the life of his times. So this is a picaresque novel. Other examples of picaresque narratives include Henry Fielding's Tom Jones, Voltaire's Candide, Saul Bellow's The Adventure of Augie March. The Adventure of Augie March. This is a postmodern novel, a picaresque novel. So these are the example of the picaresque novel, and we come to know that what is a picaresque novel. In a nutshell, I will once again explain. Picaresque novel is a novel in that the character, main character, is a picaro. We can say him rogue or a rascal person who always in a journey, what we can say, in a traveling, and in his travel he meets variety of people. He took so many experiences in his life. He performs so many adventures that we couldn't believe. So such kind of person is a picaresque character or a picaro, and the example of this novel are Tobias Smollett's all novel, but The Adventure of Roderick Random is given here. The Adventure of Roderick Random. So this is a picaresque narrative. So thank you. We will stop here for the picaresque narrative.